StorTRACK versus warehouse drones. What's the difference?
Can StorTRACK reach as high as a warehouse drone?
StorTRACK scans as high as your tallest forklifts and other MHE can reach. If your MHE can put it away, StorTRACK can scan it.
How long does a StorTRACK battery last?
A single charge of StorTRACK can last up to 8 hours, allowing for coverage for an entire shift. This is 24 times longer battery charge than warehouse drones.
Can StorTRACK outperform a warehouse drone?
Yes, in just about every way. StorTRACK can thoroughly scan a 300-foot-long aisle in under an hour. This would take a drone over 5 hours.
What are the key performance differentiators between StorTRACK and a drone?
There are almost too many to list. StorTRACK does not require aisle or shelf preparation before it scans. Its battery life is 24 times longer than a drone with a field of view 4 times larger. StorTRACK is safer, faster, and provides a much faster ROI.
How do I service StorTRACK?
You don't have to. Vimaan takes care of that. We continually monitor the performance of StorTRACK, and we will actually know if something goes wrong before you do. And if so, a Vimaan engineer will be there in hours.
Does StorTRACK replace my existing cycle counting employees?
StorTRACK scans, counts, inspects, and audits inventory faster than a small army of cycle counters. This allows you to reallocate employees to handle other high-value tasks.